What the government can't do is take away your skill, your talent, and the knowledge that you have right up in here, okay? They can shut down systems, they can shut down EBT and Medicaid all they want to. But your God-given gift and your talent that you have, they can't take that away from you. If you're new here, my name is C the actress, and today I am not talking about acting. I am talking about the entrepreneurial side and learning how to package your gift into something profitable that can help the next person. If you have an idea or if you have a skill or a talent that can solve a problem for the next person, you're golden. All you have to learn how to do is package it up the right way and be able to help people from your home so that you can spend more time with your family at home and get paid for it. If you're new to my channel, go binge watch the videos. This ain't nothing new over here, but I understand that people are sharing resources, food resources, payment extensions and all of that. But what I would like to do is change the conversation a little bit, add my contribution, and host a 2-hour class this Saturday, October 25th, to teach you about digital income, packaging your God-given gifts into income. And just a little short story about me. I am an actress from Virginia. I'm a single mom of 3. I had a college student. He didn't finish, but that's okay. But I started digital marketing in May of 2024, and I created digital products for my actors community. I've created tons of digital products. Now I am able to teach other people how to create digital income, whether it's pre-recorded videos, an ebook, a guide, consulting or coaching in whatever field it is that you do, whatever it is that you do, I'm sure you can help the next person. You are able to create one-on-one coaching sessions with anyone and price it out for whatever you feel like the value and the transformation that they're going to get. I am going to give you the tea in this class this Saturday, October 25th at 11 a.m. I promise you it is going to be golden. It is free. And this is my contribution to all of the many resources that are being shared to the people that have been affected for the government shutdown. But also, I have been doing digital marketing anyway, and this is how I'm able to spend more time with my kids, go on auditions without worrying about losing hours from work and, you know what I mean, just stressing out because I'm losing money from work. But when you've created an ebook or a guide, or you booked a one-on-one session, that's money that you can make in your sleep. Not the one-on-one sessions, but the ebooks and the guides. People can download those 24/7, and you're solving a problem for them. You're teaching them whatever it is that you know. Like, I've created headshot prep guides. I've created an actor's ebook for auditions. These are things to get them prepped and ready for the industry, but I've also made guides on what digital marketing is and what ideas that you can do to make money right at home. We got to get this digital income because it's 2025, it's about to be 2026, and I don't want you to be left behind. This is my contribution and my way of serving in this crazy time. So whether you are an actor, you're a hairstylist, you're an entrepreneur, you're a creative, you are a realtor, you do nails, you're a barber, this is for men and women. Whatever it is that you do, I'm going to teach you step by step of how to create different ways of creating the digital income. If you crochet, maybe you can do some tutorials on how to start crocheting. I apologize about the noise. It's loud over here today. Trying to make content, and this is what I get. And y'all have to realize, when you start moving in your God-given gift, that's when the doors just flood open and opportunities come, because you are truly walking in alignment, being your true authentic self, and moving in alignment with God and using the gifts that He gave you. So all you need on this Saturday is your phone, your notebook, and your open mind, and being willing to be a student and be coachable, okay? I promise you, this is going to be beneficial. It's no cost to you. This is my way of serving you. I want you to spread the word, spread the link. The link will be down in the description. It is a free class, and I will not get off the call until everybody's question is answered. I ain't got nothing else to do this Saturday, so I'm ready. I'm willing and ready to be on the call and answer all of your questions. The platform that I use to host my digital products is Stand Store. And, you know, my community, which is the Book to Pay community, and outside of that, they do call me the Stand Store Queen, because I will walk you through, if you already have ideas and say you already have some digital products, I can walk you through on how to set up your stand store. I can screen share and do all of that. I will give you a quick run through on Saturday, but if you would like to book a one-on-one call with me, I can walk you through that and set up your stand store with you so you are not doing it alone. And this is what I do in between my acting gigs and my daytime job. This is what I do. I sit at home and help people online. And you know, when I start doing my coaching and my one-on-one calls and my consulting, it becomes bigger than me. Every call is different and every call has a bigger meaning and such a big impact. Like, people have some really good ideas. They just don't know how to package it. And I'm sure that is you too. You are amongst the many. I promise you, you will leave the class this Saturday with tools in hand on how to start ideas running through your mind. I will help you get to that point. But if you have time this week before the class on Saturday, maybe you can really start thinking of some ideas and some skills and some gifts that you already have. You can binge watch my videos and maybe get some ideas. I do have a playlist. Things are pretty organized on my channel. You know, I try to make it easy for y'all so y'all can just pick and choose what y'all want to watch and things aren't too crazy and everywhere. I try to make it easy for y'all. But I do pray and hope that the people that are affected by this government shutdown, I hope it doesn't last too much longer, because this is crazy. That redheaded man, or orange-headed, is crazy. Like, it's crazy. So I really want this to be my contribution. I'm super excited. I love to teach. I love to coach. I love to see transformation. I love for people to start out kind of, unsure and not knowing, and leave with like, wow, I could really do this, because you really can. If I can do it, you can do it. I had an IEP growing up. That means I had smaller classes. It was hard for me to read. I wear glasses. Okay. I've worn glasses all my life. I'm dyslexic. Sometimes I read backwards. But I've had a lot of challenges. My mom was and still is so technically I was so if I can make it and be successful in it, I know that you can. You just need somebody to coach you and bring you along the way, and it's gonna be all right. I got you. I will hold your hand every step of the way. Let me just reiterate that this government shutdown is crazy. Like, just recently, what was it, Thursday or something, they announced that they're taking away EBT and Medicaid. That's crazy. Like, I want to be able to help so bad. I feel like this is a great way to help people out there, and you guys are able to create this stuff from your house. If you know how to use Canva, I will teach you how to use and create things in Canva, the free version or the paid version. There's a lot of stuff that you can do with the free version, and you can have a 14-day free trial on Stand Store. That's the platform that I use. And like I said, if you already have some ideas or already know how to use Canva, put it together, girl. Use the 14-day free trial link in the description and put your stuff on there and let it rip, okay? Hopefully you can get some sales in the first 14 days, but use that link down in the description if you already know how to put some digital products together, whether it's an ebook, some pre-recorded videos. You can do some coaching calls on Stand Store. Or you know what, you can book a call with me if you're already kind of have an idea of what you want to do. You can definitely book a coaching call with me, and I can get you clarity on where to start and how to start and get you the tools to start tomorrow, okay? And if you already have a YouTube channel, you're golden. All you have to do is get on your channel, talk about your products, put the links in the description, and get sales. You don't have to have this huge following on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube. Just keep being consistent, talking about the things that you're creating, making sure that it's solving a problem for someone and it has value. I will talk about freebies, because you do want to have a freebie to collect the emails to build your clientele. And then you have your paid next product, which has a little bit more. But in the freebie, you want to kind of have them on a cliffhanger so that the next paid product is like, oh, they're going to want that, because they're like, wow, she gave this away for free. I need the next item that she's selling. And so she or he, I'm sorry. But it's going to be really good. I hope that you guys can join the class this Saturday, October 25th at 11 a.m. Don't be late. Share the word, share the link. It is down in the description. And this is my way of helping y'all, whether you are affected by the government shutdown or not. I think everybody should be making digital income anyway. That's just the time that we live in, and you don't want to be left behind in 2026. Feel free to join my Booked and Paid community over there on Facebook. It is a private group, it's free, and these are the type of things that we talk and discuss about in there. Gems, people are talking about their wins and their losses, and there's advice, and there's tips and tricks and everything as far as actors and entrepreneurs, because there's both in there. They merge, of course. If you are an actor, you are an entrepreneur and a creative. So we have both inside of the community. It is free. The link is down in the description, of course, but my whole goal of Booked and Paid is to know that they can take away the systems. They can take away the job. They can take away your position. But what they can't do is take away your God-given gift and your talent and your knowledge and what God has called you to do. They can't take that away. So let's live in it. Let's get aligned, and let's start packaging our God-given gifts so that we can get booked and paid, because God wants you to be paid. God wants you to be able to live an abundant life and not this hard struggling life. And it took me so long to realize that, y'all. Like, I thought just because I was a single mom of 3, like, and I'm a hustler and I know how to work and I can handle this job and like I can work, like I can hold a job. But why do we want to work so hard? Like, why can't I live an easy life and spend more time with my kids and not always have to trade more time for less money, really? Like, I don't want to always be leaving my house to make $1. Like, no, I want to be on a Zoom call for an hour and price it out myself. And I want you to be able to do the same thing. So y'all, go ahead, click the link in the description. That's it for the C-Set today. Please, as always, like, subscribe, share, comment down below. If you have some ideas, I can help you right now. You ain't got to wait till Saturday, for real, for real. I will see y'all Saturday at 11 a.m. Click the link, add it to your calendar. Bye.